What's up, y'all? It's your boy Solarman Vlogs. We back up in this thing with another one. Y'all see what's going on in the background. We got something real beautiful. So we got the BMW. I'm about to do this quick review, walk around, whatever you want to call it. Big shout out to Landers, Chrysler Dodge Jeep over here in Little Rock. Y'all come see them. Anyways, yeah, we got the BMW competition SUV over here. Y'all finna love this thing. It's in this nice gray. So we're gonna get straight into this thing, do a little walk around. We'll start it up, get a little sound on it. And before we start, guys, I need y'all to go ahead and hit that like button, comment, and subscribe if you're brand new. All right, let's get into this thing. Yes, sir, this is the one, y'all. So my uncle, he's a Mercedes guy. So if you see this video, Unc, forgive me, man. My uncle got the AMG, but God, this thing right here is like loaded with luxury and sport at the same time. I like how the seats hug you. Y'all can see that. It's got the little side pieces. Make sure you don't roll too much. But I'm loving the screen. Full sunroof, of course. Yes, sir. So I'm gonna put my foot on the brake down here. We're gonna start this thing up. Start up button right there. Now, this is my first time. Keep in mind, guys, it's my first time. So if I do something wrong, forgive me. Whoo! Got the music going. Let's turn it off. Copyright music. Can't have that in the video. Very nice screen on that thing, y'all. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm loving this. Not too loud, just right. I'm pretty sure if you put an exhaust on this thing, it'll be very nice. Alright, so we got the window button. Gotta let the window down a little bit. I just want y'all to hear that exhaust sound a little bit from the inside. Then we'll get the outside in a little bit. Whoo, sounds smooth. Gonna go up to 2. 4,000. Oh yeah. Loving it. Loving it. I like these lights up here too. It's got the little like waves or something. Alright, so we gotta look at the back seat real quick. I'm sure a lot of y'all want to know all about that. If it's a family ride, I would say yes. If you got 2 kids or whatever, pretty practical. But if y'all got more than 2 kids, I don't know. I don't know about that one. I don't think it got the 3rd row seat either. But very nice. You definitely getting what you asked for. Woo! Nice trunk space. And you can move everything. But yeah, no 3rd row seat, none of that. So you got a pretty big trunk because of that. Press the button, it'll let down by itself. Y'all see that badge on there? X6 competition. They're gonna make sure you know it's a competition. Very nice quad tip exhaust. Just like I like it. Y'all, this color is just getting me now. I can't even lie. Now it's really getting me. I think it's because the sun kind of dropping a little bit, so it's hitting it right in the perfect spots, man. That gold is just crazy. Look at them wheels. Jesus. And when I saw it earlier today, it looked like a matte gray. But you can really see the gold flipping in there. crazy, man. Crazy. Look at the headlights. Headlights looking good. It's just a beautiful truck, y'all. And it is fast for real. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna try to get my guy to go hop in this thing real quick. Give y'all a little circle in it. Before we do that, we're gonna go ahead and pop the hood. Pretty sure it's, where is it? So you gotta do it right there. It's the fun part. We might have to take a break and figure out how to pop this hood, y'all. But look, I'm not editing nothing out. If I make a mistake, I want y'all to see it. Yep, I'm gonna need some help. Alright, we got it wide open for y'all. That 4.4 liter twin turbocharged V8. Y'all see it? That's a big boy engine. Y'all see what it say? BMW power. It's that M power. It's running like a well-oiled machine, guys. And if y'all want this thing, y'all know where to come get it now. Landers, Little Rock. Alright, y'all, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to get some little rolling shots of it, and then we should be good. But hopefully y'all enjoying this content. Ooh, that thing look good riding. Yes, sir. And it sounds good. Yes, sir. Alright guys, so when you come over here to Landers, Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep, I need y'all to fool with two people. My boy Tyler, my boy Darius. That's my guys, man. I need y'all to hit them up. If y'all need a car, right here in Little Rock.
Sully Man Vlogs making movies.